7, Lord Jamar, Baby Grand Records.
Y'all go get that.
Yeah, go get that, please. You need that in your life. But the state of hip hop right now, it's like, I think, first of all, people talking about the state of hip hop. It's a portion of hip hop. It's not all hip hop that's fucked up. I mean, it's just a piece of it. But that's the piece that keeps getting shoved down our throats, and we constantly see that all the time.